This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the buds and opening the case. This prevents accidental connections and moisture damage. Once done, remove silicone tips, set them aside. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe external dirt first, because coarse actions later can push debris into grills. Next, grab Q-tips in 70% isopropyl. Dampen, do not soak. With a steady hand, use a toothpick at a shallow angle to lift trapped earwax. Be gentle so you don't damage the mesh. Once external grime is removed, focus on the speaker mesh and charging contacts. Use a soft bristle brush to sweep across the mesh. Small, lateral strokes loosen debris without piercing. Then, lightly dampen a Q-tip with 70% isopropyl and run it around seams and the mouth of the charging port. The alcohol evaporates fast, reducing moisture risk. Make sure to dry contacts immediately with a dry cloth. If you see corrosion, a soft eraser can lift it. Be cautious and precise. You finish by reattaching the silicone tips and letting everything air dry for 10 to 15 minutes because residual moisture can short circuits. After drying, test audio playback and charging. This verifies both cleaning and contact alignment. If you encounter muffled sound or pairing issues, reset the buds as directed in the manual. This often resolves software-linked faults. If cleaning didn't help, or if water got inside, stop using them and contact authorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.